Good morning, all of you. Uh, Totally in this paper, we have been already finished section A and section B. So now 12 more questions is remaining. We'll see that questions today. So that is case study questions. So now can anybody read this question? First case study, section C case study. Please allow somebody read. Read loudly.
Whenever a chemical change occurs, we say that a chemical reaction has taken place. A chemical reaction takes place if there is change in state, color, or temperature. We can see a large variety of chemical reaction taking place around us. In fact, a chemical reaction involves the breaking and the making of bonds between atoms to produce new substance.
New substance, new substances, correct? Now they're asking. First question. All of you read the first question. Can you understand the paragraph? What they are saying? Whenever a chemical change occurs, we can say that a chemical reaction takes place. A chemical reaction takes place if there is a change in state, color, or temperature. So we can see a large variety of chemical reactions taking place around us. In fact, a chemical reaction involves the breaking and making of bonds between atoms and produce new substances. Actually, this is not a new paragraph. This is the first, when the beginning of the chapter of class 10th chemistry, starting itself we have been studied physical properties of chemical, means properties of chemical reaction. Do you remember changes of chemical reaction? Yes, that is the paragraph we have been studied. So now, please all of you read the first question and answer. Try to read. Read, yeah. No response?
Sir, option B, sir.
B, sir.
Yes, sir. B, sir.
Option D, sir.
So now, what is the question first? Which of the following process involves chemical reaction?
What's chemical reaction?
So storing of oxygen gas under pressure in a gas cylinder? No, because storing of gas, it is just a physical process only. Next, liquefaction of air, keeping a petrol in a China dish in the open, it is also not. Next, heating copper wire in the presence of air at high temperature. Liquefaction of air. What is that answer, please? Liquefaction of air. What do you mean by liquefaction of air? Liquefaction of air means making the air into
Converting air into liquid.
individual components like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and oxygen. We are all getting into the liquid state. So it is also what separation of air only. Class 9 you have been studied. So it is also not.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, liquefaction is also not a physical chemical reaction. Next, keeping a petrol in China dish, it's already not a chemical reaction because it is just a change in state only. So last one, heating of copper wire in the presence of air at high temperature. So copper plus oxygen, what will happen? Cu plus oxygen will give you what? Copper oxides. Yes or no?
Copper oxide.
Oxide. So that what is this one? Copper oxide or cupric oxide. It is what? Chemical change. So this is the correct answer. Nobody will answer. I don't know what is happening. At least can you able to answer? Can you able to understand this? What they are asking? Which of the above reaction is chemical reactions? Above following process involves chemical reaction.
Yes,
So
sir.
here, in the presence of oxygen, we are heating at very high temperature so that we used to get copper oxide. So it is not a physical process. It is a chemical reaction is involved because new product is obtaining. So that it is called as what? Chemical reaction. That's all. Next, read 50th question, please. Everybody, read and answer.
A magnesium ribbon is burnt in oxygen to give a white compound X accompanied by emission of light. If the burning ribbon is now placed in an atmosphere of nitrogen, it continues and burns to form a compound Y. The chemical formula of X and Y are.
Option A, sir.
First option, sir.
Option A, sir.
Sir, A, sir. Option E.
So read the question first. A magnesium ribbon is burnt in oxygen to give a white compound X. This is the first reaction in class 10th chemistry. Yes or no? Yes,
sir.
accompanied by emission of light.
Sir.
That emission of light we used to call it as dazzling flame. Yes or no?
Dazzling.
Yes,
Sir.
if the burning ribbon is now placed in the atmosphere of nitrogen, it continues and burns to form a compound Y. So now the chemical formula of X and Y they are asking. First you can check it. What is that now? Mg, magnesium reacting
Which
with
is
oxygen.
magnesium
What is that?
oxide.
Magnesium plus oxygen will give you what, guys? Magnesium oxide. Balancing
Magnesium
unit.
oxide.
Because what is the valency of magnesium? Magnesium is 2 plus and oxygen is 2 minus. So that we used to get magnesium oxide. Any doubt in this?
MgO.
Yes
No,
or no? MgO. Next,
No.
it is placed in the atmosphere of nitrogen. It continues and burns form a compound called as Y they are asking. So now magnesium is reacting with a nitrogen. So Mg2 plus a nitrogen, how much amma? 3 minus. So what we used to
minus.
get? Mg3N2. So what is that? Magnesium nitrate. So what is the formula? Which is the correct answer?
Option
First
A,
option.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Option A. Correct or not? All of you others can able to
Yes,
answer?
sir.
Respond, yeah. Karthikeyan, Tarani, Ashika, correct? Okay, very good. So that is what. Varshini, what happened to you? Next, the brown gas evolved on heating of copper nitrate. A brown gas evolved of heating of copper nitrate. So check it, copper nitrate. Go to the class. Go to your classwork. Check it, copper nitrate reaction. I want that copper nitrate reaction.
NO2.
Anybody first? Can you say the full reaction? I want full reaction. I want full reaction. Copper nitrate, burning of copper nitrate. I have taught you the reaction. Copper nitrate reaction, please. First copper nitrate formula, anybody? Copper nitrate formula, anybody? Nobody knows?
CuNO3.
CuNO3 wrong. Just yesterday also I discussed it, you all people. Copper
Sir,
Cu2 plus.
CuNO3 twice. Sir.
That is, who is saying that? Jessie. Jessie?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good, Jessie.
Yes, sir.
So Cu2 plus nitrate water, NO3 minus. So we used to get what, guys? Polyatomic ion. So Cu, NO3 twice. So if you start decomposing, heating, what kind of products we used to get? Can I able to say? Copper oxide plus.
Copper oxide.
Respond here, copper oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus
Nitrogen dioxide.
Oxygen.
plus oxygen gas. Correct?
Oxygen.
So now, in this case also we used to get nitrogen dioxide. One more case also we used to get nitrogen dioxide. What is that? Can you able to say? Decomposition of lead nitrate, PbNO3 twice. Do you remember? PbNO3 twice. In this also we used to get what, guys? PbO, lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus
Nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen.
oxygen. So whenever you are observing brown gas, what is the brown gas called as, guys? Brown gas, I said, in these two reactions, you check your classwork. What do you mean by brown gas? Nobody will answer. Arvind? Yalini?
Nitrogen dioxide.
Nitrogen
Yes,
dioxide.
nitrogen
Understand?
dioxide.
Nitrogen dioxide is the brown gas. So this both the only these two equations we have where we used to get understanding nitrogen dioxide. Kindly please remember. So copper nitrate Cu2 plus, lead also Pb2 plus. So that is what it is. Understand, Madhumita, Varshini, Tarani?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, learn it. So whenever you are observing a brown gas means mind should say immediately, it is which gas, Amma? Nitrogen dioxide.
Nitrogen
Understand?
dioxide.
Everybody, that is how to remember. Read the next question. All of you. What they are asking, what you have to find. Do fast.
Sir, option B, sir.
Read and tell me.
Sir, C option.
What they are asking, read the question.
Sir, option A, sir.
Thermal decomposition reaction.
So check it. Which of the following is a thermal decomposition? Thermal decomposition.
First one, electrolysis.
Sir, electrolysis of
First
water.
one is electrolysis. Wrong. Second one, AgCl, photolysis. Next,
Photolysis.
zinc carbonate. First one, you can check it. This is combination reaction. This is combination reaction. You noticed it? Then what is
C,
the
sir,
correct?
option C.
What is the
Option
correct
C.
answer? Option C.
Option C.
C. Silver chloride, silver bromide, silver iodide. All will come under photolytic. Yes,
Photolytic reaction. Yes, sir.
everybody.
Sir, electrolysis of water is also thermal decomposition.
Electrolysis of water
By passing current only, no, sir.
yeah, by passing current, by not heating. Thermal decomposition means by heating. Just say by heating, not by passing electricity. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Remember that. This is not both not same. Then both are same. Then why they are giving two processes? So that is. So what is the correct answer here, Karthikeyan? You said something.
Sir, option C, sir.
You said option C only.
No, sir, I said option B, sir.
Then how you will say option B? Tell me. You won't read, Okay. So please correct it now. What is the correct answer?
Option C.
C.
Option C. Make it fast. Clear? Everybody, read the next paragraph. Biology.
All living cells need nutrition and other essential substances. Also, the waste and the harmful substances need to be removed continuously for healthy functioning of cells. So, a well-developed transport system is mandatory for living organisms. Complex organisms have special fluids within their body to transport such materials. Blood is the most commonly used body fluid by most of the higher organisms. Lymph also helps in the transport of certain substances.
That's all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So lymph is also help in the transport of certain substances. So this is lymphatic system. Do you remember? I have explained you capillaries to that lymphatic system. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is. So try to understand
Yes.
carefully. This is lymph nodes and capillaries between this. So we have to understand very carefully because already know that you people not written properly biology notes and all. So that is why be very careful and try to answer the first question. So what is the first question? Ashika, can you read the question? Varshini Bensi. All living cells need nutrition and other essential substances. Also, the waste and harmful substances need to be removed continuously for healthy functioning of cells. So, a well-developed transport system is mandatory for living organisms. Complex organisms have special fluids within their bodies to transport such a materials. So, blood is the most common used body fluid by most of the higher organisms like us. Lymph also help in the transport of certain substances. As we know, yesterday question paper we have got. Other than blood, we have one more liquid, one more fluid in our body. What is that fluid, guys? Lymph.
Lymph.
Yes, Tarani?
Lymph.
Yes. Yes or no? So now, what is the first question? All of you read. Which of the following?
Which of the following
So the
does not
following does not
exhibit
exhibit
phagocytic activity?
Yeah. Phagocytic activity. Can you read everybody? So what is the answer? Nobody knows? Phagocytic activity. It is the action done by the white blood cells here. WBC. Like the white blood WBC can, what is the functioning of white blood cells? Ra? Anybody can say? White blood cells. What is the functioning of white blood cells? They will release the antibodies, correct? Please respond here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they will
To
release the
fight virus.
antibodies and they will protect it. Now they are asking which of the following does not exhibit phagocytic activity, they are asking. That is what? So can you please answer? Yeah, functions and all, check your notes.
Sir, option D. Option
Option
D.
D.
D, sir.
Yeah.
Option D. Macrophage.
Option D, macrophage, monocytes, neutrophils, basophils, and macrophage they are asking. So which of the following does not exhibit?
Macrophage, sir. They
What?
are white blood
Macrophage.
cells.
Sir. Macrophage.
How you can say?
They are not white blood cells.
Yeah, that is. So remaining, we have a 3 types of white blood cells. Yes or no? So I have taught you, you can check it. Yes? So
Yes, sir.
macrophages are not white blood cells, so they do not exhibit phagocytosis. Please, all of you write it. Macrophages are not white blood cells. So that is why they are not carried out the exhibit the phagocytic activities. Clear, guys? Nobody is answering. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes,
Next.
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Amount of blood corpuscles changed in a dengue fever. Dengue fever, it is a common disease. Most of the times we can see. One of the common symptoms observed in people infected with dengue fever is during dengue
Option
fever.
C, sir.
Option C.
Significant
Very
platelets
good.
count. Platelets
Yes.
count.
Yes, platelets decreases in platelets,
Oh, yes.
significant decrease
sir.
in the platelets counts. Correct or not?
Platelet
So
count.
this is
Yes,
the
sir.
general thing which you people will observe in our
Yes, sir.
things. Correct or not? Dengue fever or even during typhoid also it will be happening. Correct? So that is why they will say
Sir.
during the time consume more oranges and all, which will increases the platelets count drastically more fastly. Correct, Tarani? That is so.
Sir, white blood cells also will decrease, no, sir.
Yeah, no. White blood cells not. White blood cells maybe they are not inactive. So only platelets counts only will fall down.
Okay.
Significant decreases
Okay,
in
sir.
the platelets counts. That is. So dengue fevers.
Okay,
That is what. So now why WBC are called as solidars of the body? Solidars means you know that protectors, bodyguards. I have taught you while I'm teaching.
Option C, sir.
Yes,
They fight
solidars of the
Option
body.
C,
Please
option C.
respond others also. Varshini, what
Option
happened?
C.
What? Why they are called as, like I said, you Indian
Option
Army.
C, sir.
Why they are called as solidars of the body? Like our Indian
Option
Army.
They fight
Army,
against
Indian Army
disease
is called
causing
as our solidars of the
soldiers.
body because they will protect us from the other countries and all. Like same way here, why WBC are called as solidars of the body? They are capable of squeezing out the blood capillaries. No, wrong.
No,
Correct?
sir.
They
Yes.
fight against
Next,
disease
they are
causing
manufactured by in bone marrow. No, they fight against disease-causing germs. They have granular suppress. No, wrong. So, what is the correct answer? They fight
Option
against disease-causing germs. Understanding?
Causing
And
germs.
they will release the antibodies. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the main use of white blood cells? White blood cells are they will play in protecting the body against infectious disease and foreign bodies. Yes or no, guys? Infectious
Yes, sir.
diseases and foreign bodies. So means from the outside, any kind of things will enter into our body. They will protect us, our body from that foreign. They are called as foreign bodies, like foreigners. Yes, Madhumita, Karthikeyan,
Sir,
Akhil Arfan? Yes. So what is the use of WBC? They fight against disease-causing systems. That is why. So WBC means what, guys? White blood corpuscles. So in special type of WBC, what we should call lymphatic system. Do you remember lymphatic
Yes, sir.
system? Nobody will answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. Next question. Now, name the blood cells whose reduction in number can cause clotting disorder, leading to excess loss of blood from the body. This is also I taught you. Please.
The thrombocytes. D option.
Thrombocytes, sir.
No.
Thrombocytes.
Chromocytes.
D, sir. Option D.
Name the blood
Thrombocytes.
cells. Name the blood cells whose reduction whose reduction will causes excess blood loss continuously, as we know that. Somebody will come and will helping in
Platelets.
clotting disorder. Please
Platelets.
respond. Which one?
Platelets.
Platelets. But here,
Thrombocytes.
what?
Here D
platelets.
option, thrombocytes.
So yeah,
Option D set.
yes, yes.
Thrombocyte.
That usually what should be there here?
Platelets.
Yeah,
Platelet.
platelets. So platelets, but here platelets is not there. That is why what we should call
Thrombocytes.
thrombocytes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir.
that is. So please note it down. Everybody. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next question, next paragraph, read.
A spherical mirror in which the outer bulged surface is silvered, polished, and the reflection of the light takes place from the inner hollow surface is called a concave mirror. The formula 1 by U plus 1 by V equal to 1 by F is applicable to all concave and convex mirrors, whether the image formed is real or virtual. A concave mirror is used as shaving or makeup mirror. It forms a magnified and erect image of the face when it is held closer to the face.
Yes, sir. Now, one more thing also remember, before going to this paragraph, this disease name called as thrombocytosis. THROMBOCYCOSS. Thrombocytosis means
Disease
due
name,
to,
sir.
yes. Due to lack of platelets, if the blood is
Platelets.
not controlled, if the blood is not controlled during the injuries and all, then that is called as thrombocytosis.
Yes, sir.
Let's continue. Mild bleeding, like a serious bleeding. Okay, risk of mild bleeding it is. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yes. So now,
For-
so this
so-
paragraph, you people maybe understand. So this is a very simple paragraph. Now, what happens to the light ray incident on a concave mirror parallel to its principal axis? Concave mirror parallel to its principal axis. Concave mirror parallel to its principal axis. What will happen, guys? It will go through the what?
Go through the focus.
Focus.
That's all. Reflects back through focus of the mirror. That's all. Correct or not? So bend towards the
Yes, sir.
pole, bounce back and deviated, reflected back through the center of curvature. Or what is happening? Respond, yeah. Reflect
Reflect back through focus of the mirror.
Back
Yes,
through
sir.
focus of the
Correct
mirror.
or not? Nobody is
Yes, sir.
answering. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next. Which represents to Cartesian sign convention? The focal length of the concave mirror would be concave mirror. What I said, concave means what is the focal length? Jesse,
Negative, sir.
concave, negative.
Negative, sir.
Directly you have to remember, whenever you will see concave, Arun Karthikeyan, what is that? Whenever you can
Negative.
see negative, concave means always focal length is what,
Negative.
guys? Concave,
Negative.
mirror or lens doesn't
Negative.
matter. Concave means it is negative. That is you have to remember it. Okay, Ra? That is very good.
Yes, sir.
Next, the angle between the incident ray and normal to the surface of the mirror is called as angle between the incident ray and the normal. Incident ray and the normal called as angle of
Angle of incidence.
angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. Normal and the incident ray is called as what, guys? Incident
Angle of
time.
incidence.
So angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. Next, which of the following mirror has the focus? Which of the following mirror has the focus located in front of its reflecting surface? Located in front. In front, guys. Look it. Convex mirror.
Concave mirror.
Yeah, convex mirror
Concave
behind
mirror,
virtual
concave
focus. Concave
Concave
mirror.
mirror.
Concave mirror,
Real and
real
dim.
focus, and minus it is. Have you noticed it? Yes,
Yes,
or
sir.
no? So now, in
Yes,
front
sir.
of the reflecting surface, what is that? Concave
Concave
mirror.
Concave mirror.
That is concave mirror. Please note it down, all of you. Are you understand or not? Very simple
Yes,
case
sir.
study,
Yes, sir.
correct? So this is Bangalore
Yes,
Savodaya, India's most standard question paper it is. Now here, types of WBC. Please all of you note it down. So WBC, we have totally 5 types. So they only will show the phagocytic activities. So remaining it is not there. So you can take one is monocytes here there.
Monocyte,
One, first one is neutrophils.
eosinophils,
First one
basophils,
is
and neutrophils.
neutrophils. Understanding. Second one is
Basophils.
lymphocytes. I taught you already, correct? It is lymphocytes.
Yes.
Third one is monocytes.
Monocytes.
Next one is, fourth one is eosinophils.
Basophils.
Yeah,
Eosinophils,
eosinophils.
basophils.
Yeah, eosinophils, and last one is called as basophils.
Basophils.
That is, please all of you note it down. Once again, I'm saying monocytes. Sorry, first one is neutrophils. Second one is lymphocytes, and the third one is monocytes, and fourth one is eosinophils and basophils. Already three you have here: monocytes, neutrophils, and basophils. Remaining two are the what? Eosinophils. E-O-S-I-N-O. Eosinophils. ESO, eosinophils, and last one is what, Ma?
Yes.
Lymphocytes.
Basophils.
Lymphocytes.
Sir.
So lymphocytes are the special type of WBC that is only called as lymphatic system.
Lymph.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir.
they
Yes,
are
sir.
the main protectors of body, main protectors of guard, like a guard. Why they are called as like a wall of soldiers of the body? That is what. Okay, so please learn that. Okay, so what do you mean by phagocytic activity? Can anybody say what do you mean by phagocytic activity? Varshini, Ashika, can you say please?
The
What do
decrease
you
of
mean by phagocytic activity? Means protecting our body, protecting itself from the infectious and
fighting against
foreign
bacteria.
bodies. Okay, infectious and environmental particles. Okay, ma, that is called as phagocytic. Means which is helping in involving and removing of wastages and protecting against foreign bodies and etc. Is okay. That is called as okay, ra? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is. So that is you have to remember. Next, platelets also we can call as thrombosis. That is disease name called as thrombosis. That is also you have to remember. That is also while I'm teaching I have been explaining. So this is all about it. So case studies, most probably they are giving most of the question papers, they are giving the case studies very easy only. That is now yesterday's question paper. Those who came here, they already practiced. Those who are absent like Jesse, Akil Arfan, etc. Please all of you go through this paper once again. Today, whenever you are free, I think till afternoon you have a classes. Afternoon you are free only, correct? So afternoon, once you have finished it, go through this paper fully. Try to finish it. In this, only one question is remaining. That question which I have not explained. That question today, I think before evening I will try to explain that question. So all of you can practice this, and you have to. I think yesterday I have given some homework for you people. What is that? Reminding those who came.